Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to use Insight Timer application for the meditation purposes. A lot of you are asking about how you can use Insight Timer application so that you can meditate easily. Okay, so you can see that the rating of this application is 4.7 and it has 10 million plus downloads and 2,43,000 reviews as well. Okay, so it will eventually help you to sleep well. As you can see that it has also mentioned breath work, affirmation, journaling and yoga as well. So I have already downloaded, so I'll just click on this open button. You can see this is the main interface of this application. So the entering code is you can see, and I really like the code. Okay, so right after that we have got this pop-up, so we will click on join 34 million people. Okay, so 3 lakh tracks they have. You have just discovered the largest library of guided meditation and music tracks on earth. Okay, so let's continue. Let's choose our options why we want to use this application and meditate. We want for sleep better, reduce stress, increase self-esteem and happiness joy. Okay, so you can select only maximum 3. So I have selected, now I will click on continue. So we are just total beginner. Let's continue again. Equanimity, okay, consistency, definitely. How many days in a row will you look after yourself? So let's click on the 7 days, 7 consecutive days. Why not? Okay, I'm committed. So let's do this. When you would like to practice, let's suppose we want to practice in the early morning, so we'll click on early morning and here you can select turn on the Insight Timer to send you notification in the morning. Let's continue and we will allow it. Okay, so that's how we have allowed it. Now it will generating our personalized settings. Okay, so the starter routine that it has given us: take 3 slow breaths, drink more water, go for a walk, message a friend and meditate. So these are the activities for our morning. So I will click on let's do it. So they have given us the time of like just 5 minutes a day we need to do this. Just 5 minutes a day is enough to notice improvement in well-being. Okay, that sounds good. Let's suppose if you want to practice more than 5 minutes, you can select it. Okay, so I will click continue, guided meditation, breath work, mindfulness and continue. Now over the next 7 days we will help you build momentum to create less change. Okay, so let's suppose you find this application through YouTube because you watched my video and now you have downloaded the application. Okay, so you can also pay for it. So I will just click skip. So here you can you can see that here you can write your intention here. Okay, for that specific day. And let's see, and here you can pick your music or the video as well, and here you can recheck your daily routine. For a daily routine, like every task for in the morning, you can, if you do the task, just click on this I have done the task. Let's suppose you have drink the water, then click drink water, mark as complete. So that's how you can do these settings. Okay, so that was all about basic usage of this application. You can also sign up with your Google account so that you can save your records. So that was all about meditation Insight Timer app. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.